Very good afternoon to all of you, beta. We are going to start today with atmospheric pollution and a lot of writing work also we are going to do. And beta, what exam and different types of questions they ask that I'm going to discuss. Okay, so start writing simultaneously and take the markings which I'm giving. Okay, and if you will write, quickly and without making any noise, then I'll leave you all early also. Okay, chalo, let us start. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it depends upon how fast you are going to write. Okay. Yeah. The first question, Dev Bhutani beta yahan pe dekh. What do you mean by the word pollution? So it is derived from the word pollutus, to make unclean. So what does this pollutus means? Jagmohan Dalmia, it is what? To make unclean. Then the very first definition they will ask, define atmospheric pollution. The conditions of air made unclean due to the introduction of foreign elements. From there, first it comes from natural sources. Natural sources means what, beta? What are the volcanic eruption, sandstorm and all? ओके एयर अभी देखा आप देखा रहे बेटा बाहर अभी कितने लोग मास्क पहन के घूम रहे हैं कितनी फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो रही है बिकॉज ऑफ फॉग और ये पोल्यूशन की वजह से बेटा यार दिल्ली में कितना प्रॉब्लम है मैन मेड सोर्सेस टू द एयर so as to cause adverse effect on living organism on earth. So first mark this definition. Okay, this is how this atmospheric pollution happens. Okay, and the definition. Have you marked the answer? Chalo beta. Now I'll show you what are the different ways how it gets polluted. Nobody will ask all this particular thing, but you all should know. So let us start. So beta, let us start. Beta, pollution. Hey, term pollution, beta, pollution, it is derived from the word pollutus, air pollution condition in which air is made unclean by introduction of, substances by foreign elements, by man-made or by natural processes. So, and these foreign elements are called pollutants. These foreign elements are called what, beta? Pollutants, beta. We have just started. Those have entered now, beta. Okay, ding ding वापिस आ रही है अंदर क्या हो गया डिंग डिंग को नेचुरल सोर्सेज कौन है बेटा नेचुरल सोर्सेज से कैसे पोल्यूशन में आता है पोल्यूशन एयर पोल्यूशन में गैस आते हैं बेटा कौन है बोलो वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन तो वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन बेटा इट रिलीजेस विच गैस SO2 सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड अदर्स आल्सो then decaying of vegetable metal okay vegetable matter sorry then which gas it will release nitrous oxide then forest fire हो जाते पता है ना बेटा so carbon monoxide carbon dioxide then wind and sandstorm आता है कि नहीं बेटा ऐसा रेगिस्तान में होता है जनरली ओके सैंड एंड डस्ट पार्टिकल मैन मेड में क्या वी यूज ऑटोमोबाइल में से बेटा बाहर बहुत सारा फ्यूल का ये जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट आता है वो ओके ऑटोमोबाइल से इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन से क्या क्या आता है नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड CO ऑल दिस ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन सल्फर एंड कार्बन देन फैक्ट्रीज में
सर
से कितना
क्या लिखना है?
कुछ लिखना नहीं मैं लिखने का जब मैं बताऊंगा बेटा डोंट वरी
ओके
ठीक है ना बेटा
सॉरी।
खाली ऐसे में पहले इंट्रोडक्शन देना बेटा फैक्ट्रीज में से धुआं निकलता है उसमें कौन कौन होता है SO2 CO NO industrial processes so all this thing we are not supposed to do we are going to start with the very first one that is acid rain के बारे में हमको पढ़ना है in this chapter what all thing we are going to study acid rain then global warming then beta ozone depletion these three things we are going to study now let us start with acid rain चलो देख लो बेटा ये एसिड रेन का हाँ ओके नाउ बेटा एसिड रेन में बेटा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट दे विल आस्क मी बेटा व्हाट इज एसिड रेन बेटा so the term acid rain means what happened it describes to the substance which precipitates down along with what rain okay and it forms an acid so beta first thing what you'll mark look on page number 125 I hope you have marked this definition of atmospheric pollution have you I hope all of you marked this definition hello definition of atmospheric pollution have you marked okay, then I will directly come to page number 2 and what all marking you have to do on this page number 2 directly. First, they will ask you define acid rain. So what is acid rain? So the acid rain refers to the various rain with the acid formed in the atmosphere condense and fall on the earth. Now in exam they will ask, this is very important, mark this. What are the wet deposit of acid rain, wet deposit? So what is your answer? Rain, snow, fog and dew. Wet deposit. Give two example of wet deposit of acid rain. So we'll be able to answer this. Rain, snow, fog, dew. Then what are the dry deposit? Dry deposit are particles containing sulfate and iron. Now in exam beta, सबसे पहला beta first question what they will ask. Okay, have you marked these two things, wet deposit and dry deposits? Then beta they will ask you this question. Burning of fossil fuel give which gas? What is right? Burning of fossil fuel gives which gas? MCQ में I'll ask you this sulfur dioxide. ठीक है? Bacterial decomposition of organic matter also releases H2S. Then it gets converted into what? SO2, sulfur dioxide. Yeah, we have just started. Okay, smelting is what beta? Smelting plant is the process in आ गया जरा बहुत आगे lot of place. Be comfortable. Okay, चलो बेटा. Then we have just started with atmospheric pollution and we are doing air pollution. Okay, right? If you have textbook beta, then you have to open the textbook. Come on quickly. Page number 126 पे first you will come to acid rain and you will mark what is acid rain. Then what are the wet deposit of acid rain? Wet deposit are what beta? Come on, rain, snow, fog, dew. Mark कर लो बेटा, time waste मत करो. Dry deposit are particles containing sulfate and nitrate. 126. 126 quickly. 126. 126. Yeah. Define acid rain. What are the wet deposit? Rain, snow, fog, dew. What are the dry deposit? Particle containing. Acha. Then in MCQ beta they will ask you define which gas is released when fossil fuel is burned. Burning of fossil fuel releases what beta? Yes. Bacterial decomposition of organic matter releases. You underline kara? Bacterial releases H2S. Smelting plant gives you which gas? SO2. Sulfuric acid plant also give you which gas? अच्छा अभी बेटा पहली बार जब बारिश गिरता है फर्स्ट रेन तो बेटा इन एटमॉस्फेयर विच गैस आर देयर मेनी गैस सपोज इन एटमॉस्फेयर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज देयर सो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विल मिक्स विद वाटर ऑफ रेन एंड इट विल फॉर्म व्हाट बेटा बोलो बेटा इट विल फॉर्म व्हाट बेटा acid. Now first thing what I want you to write, how will you come to know whether a substance is acidic or basic? I want you to copy this. All of you please copy this. So first is what beta? First thing what I have given you pH. What I have given you beta? Now you will wonder what is this sir pH ये क्या है?
Sir, if we've written this, do we have to write this again?
You have written this pH. Then you have done. अच्छा बेटा एक बार देख लो जिसने नहीं लिखा है लिखा था क्या ये देख लो.
Sir, you made us write this before.
No. P is power. H is for H plus ion. H plus ion concentration. So pH का what is the meaning of pH? Power of H plus ion. Now beta there is I'll give you a lot of compound and if I tell you बताओ I have given you 10 containers बोला कौन acid है कौन base है कौन neutral है कौन strong acid है कौन weak acid है तो कैसे पता करेंगे बेटा तो we use one paper वो paper का नाम क्या है pH paper and then we have this pH scale and in that scale beta there is a reading from 0 to 40 0 to 40. Now, if any substance which is between 0 and 7, they are what beta? Acid. Can you see between 0 and 7? Achha, if it is exact 7, then it will be what? If a substance which is exact 7, then it will be what? And if the pH ka value will come between 7 to 14, then it will be what? Then it is basic or alkaline. Basic or... Now here also you have to remember very important thing. एक बार देख लो बेटा. Lower the pH. pH जितना कम होगा उतना ही acidity ज्यादा है. तो if I written pH 1, pH 5, who is more acidic? pH 1. Okay. And higher is H plus concentration. Higher the pH, lower the acidity, less H plus and higher basicity. Okay. In exam they will give you question. pH 7 is what? Acidic, basic or neutral? Come on. Anya. Neutral. pH 13 is strong base. Yeah, base. Very good. pH 1 is acid. Clear? You copy कर लो चलो.
So do we have to copy the full thing?
Copy किया हुआ है?
Do we have to copy the full thing?
Yeah, this entire thing will copy this. Where you have copied? Show me. Shut up. कहाँ पर है दिखा मेरे को. कॉपी किया था ये.
Sir, you have taught this to us long back.
But have you written or not?
Yes, we have.
Very good. Where have you written? What about you? Very bad बेटा, बहुत करा लिखना है। ये तुम लोग दालमिया वाल में ये तुम लोग ने नहीं लिखा था कभी? हाँ तो लिखो चलो। लिख बे। लिख बे भूतानी। किधर है दिखा?
सर मैं बुक भूल गया
तो लिखो चलो। Those who have written, just go through it. Those who have not written, you will write it right now. Anya Mehta, why are you online today?
Sir, I'm not at home, that's why.
Oh, where have you gone, bro?
Sir, I'm in Jamnagar.
Oh, Jamnagar.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So what about the Christmas?
Yeah, I'm celebrating it here only.
Oh, very nice. Chalo. Prisha is not there only. Where is she? Not there. Ding Ding is there. Shruti is there. That's it. मार दूंगा मैं भी।
मेरे ऊपर मेरा पेन
बेबी बेटा तुम लोग चुपचाप जितना जल्दी लिखोगे उतना जल्दी आ जाओगे घर पे, ठीक है? Stop throwing the pen here and there. बेटा तू लिख नहीं रहा है?
सर पहले लिखा है, मैं फोटो भेज दूंगा।
हाँ मेरे को फोटो चाहिए।
हाँ सही।
Where which class you are coming from? Physics.
No. I got the wrong one.
How come both of you got the wrong book?
Guys are the best friends.
चलो डन। I know. चलो बेटा डन। ऑल ऑफ यू ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट, ऑफलाइन। एग्जाम में ना एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन कैसे आएगा इस पे? how application based question they will ask you, they can give you match the column. On one side they will give the value of pH, and on one side they will write strong base, strong acid, neutral, weak acid, weak base. So will we be able to do it? Okay. Yeah, I still remember that. चलो एग्जाम में ये भी बोले क्या? If acidity increases, then what happens to pH? pH decreases. Higher the acidity, lower the pH. Lower the pH, higher the H plus ion concentration. ठीक है? डन। चलो बेटा आगे बढ़ते हैं। अभी पहला क्वेश्चन क्या आएगा एग्जाम में? बेटा आई एम टीचिंग दिस चैप्टर फ्रॉम एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ओनली, डायरेक्टली। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट करो। चलो फर्स्ट गिव रीजन दे विल आस्क यू। गिव रीजन व्हाई नेचुरल रेन वाटर इज एसिडिक। नेचुरल रेन वाटर इज एसिडिक। सो इन नेचुरल रेन वाटर व्हाट इज देयर बेटा? कार्बन अच्छा दिस कम्स फ्रॉम द रेन और नॉट? टेल मी। अच्छा when these two will combine what you get? Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is what beta? Weak acid. Weak acid, therefore it's weak acid. So its pH is what? How much beta? That value I gave you here, 5.6. Excuse me. Oh my God, your love lectures, you know. 5 to 6. Yeah. So pH is between. Oops, sorry. I'll pick it up. Yeah. pH 5 to 6. Okay.
What is pH level of carbonic acid?
Oh, no money.
Yeah, please copy this
You have
question.
to copy this?
Yeah, we have to copy this. Oh, to my love of life, I want to celebrate Christmas with you. Oh, hi, baby. You are on my waiting list. You're my partner. I love whatever is wrong with you.
Okay. It's okay. Don't man.
Okay. Oh, if you give me treat and one coffee from Starbucks, then I can, we can go for a movie. Very nice collection.
Sir, is the pH 5.26 or 5.6?
Look.
Oh, all boys cards, all for boys. Oh my God.
Sir,
So it's a free shot.
See,
One.
I don't show any random card which was with him. Ah. Chalo, done.
Arey.
Tanisha, beta, chalo, bas. Hey, Ashlisha, have you copied this?
Yeah.
So why natural rainwater is acidic, beta? Because in natural rainwater, due to our day-to-day practice, there is a lot of carbon dioxide released in water, in atmosphere. It will combine with the rainwater and it forms weak acid. And therefore, it will be what? Acidic. Clear? Okay. Hello. Now, acha, in atmosphere, beta, we know nitric acid banna chahiye, sulfuric acid. How it will be formed? Due to our man-made activity, sulfur dioxide is released in the air, nitrogen dioxide is released in the air. It mixes with the water, right, beta? It mixes with the water and it will form what? Acid. And it will come down on the earth's surface as what? Acid. Now, what type of question they will ask in exam first? Exam point of view. Convert sulfur into sulfurous acid. First question. Second question. Convert sulfur into... Okay. So in atmosphere, what will happen? Sulfur will mix with oxygen to give you sulfur dioxide. And this sulfur dioxide will go in air and it will mix with the rainwater and it will form sulfurous acid and it will come down as an acid rain or not. Tell me. Yeah, please copy this. Online student, please copy this. Copy this. Oi, Bokya, come on.
It's a reason.
Yeah, that's what I mean. And how much effort you have taken to write.
Not like
No, it's I mean that is what I appreciate your talent and patience. Nowadays, nobody. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it is you're expressing your feelings in on paper and with heart sign and all of that. Yeah. I mean, yeah, you are showing love and affection towards a friend. Yeah. I appreciate. Yeah, and it's okay now. It's 20. You're Gen Z. I mean, you're alpha or Gen Z kid. Yeah.
Not up there, okay now.
Okay. Good. Bas, enough.
कुछ पागल है क्या तू साहब बोल क्या रहा है तू कुछ छोड़ दे
Bas, copy. Next question. In exam, what? Sean, beta, come on. Done this. Bas, baate nahi. This question they will ask, how will you convert? Acha beta, I can ask one more question. How will you convert sulfur dioxide into sulfurous acid? Then you will do the second step. Are you getting it? Only the second step. Done. Next question. And beta, this sulfurous acid will come in the form of rain. अरे बेटा ये देखो ना बेटा acid rain कैसा आएगा? Look beta, we do lot of activity. This carbonic acid we did na beta, acid rain. Then beta, look, in industry what gas is released? Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. So they will release sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. They will go into air, and then it will form and it will mix with what? Rainwater, and it will form what? Acid, and then it will fall down as what beta? Acid rain. ये देखो ऐसा ठीक है ना? तुम लोगों को स्कूल में बोला है ना पीपीटी बनाने के लिए. चलो. Yeah. No, that is not a tsunami. Now next question. Convert. You have to read question carefully. There it was sulfurous acid. Here it is what? So it is a 3-step reaction. First step में what will happen? Sulfur will mix with oxygen to give you sulfur dioxide. Then in air, beta, in atmosphere, oxygen is there. So sulfur dioxide will mix with oxygen to give you sulfur trioxide. Hey, then this sulfur trioxide will mix with this rainwater. Hey, this is your rainwater, H2. जहाँ पे भी मैं लिखा है, that is your rainwater. And it will form what? Sulfuric. And it will come down. अच्छा बेटा, in exam I can ask 3 different questions in this. First, convert sulfur into sulfuric acid, then 3 step. Hey, but if I say, Asher beta, if I say sulfur dioxide into sulfuric acid, then how many steps you will write? This 2. But if I say sulfur trioxide into sulfuric acid, then only? Very good. Understood? कितना मेहनत है एग्जाम में? How much you got? You with 2 marks किधर गया? एक तो caustic potash, दूसरा
Fe2O3 was the Fe3 told him to.
how much you got? Yes, sister is to get full.
No.
Hmm.
No.
Chalo, done? Copied? Hey, this type of question will come because once you read the text, you won't understand only what type of question will come. So I have given this in question answer pattern. Yeah, I'll send this on the group also, but I want you all to copy this first. I want you all to copy this first. Hello. Chalo, done, Danito. Online student, I hope all of you have completed this. Hello. चलो अभी हम लोग ए now we'll study the next question, nitric acid. In exam what question they will ask? ए अच्छे से सुना question. How will you convert nitrogen into nitric acid? Now sometimes beta they will ask this question in only first step also. अच्छा, in air what is maximum nitrogen and oxygen? जब बिजली गिरेगी बेटा, when lightning. So when lightning will happen, beta, it will get converted into NO. Then in atmosphere, oxygen is there, so NO will come. Acha, they ask one question in MCQ or fill in the blank. Listen, Boka beta, name the gas form during the lightning discharge in atmosphere. So what is the name of the gas? Nitric oxide. Clear? The nitric oxide will react with oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide. Then this nitrogen dioxide will react with rainwater to give you 2 acid. One is nitric acid and another one is nitrous acid. Yeah, mix and ion. चलो कॉपी कर लो ये. अच्छा, Shlok Peta, I can ask you one more question in exam. If I tell you how will you convert nitrogen dioxide into nitric acid, then which step you will write only the last one. But if I say convert nitric oxide into nitric acid, then you will write these two. Okay? Chalo. This is teddy or what it is? Panda?
What's a teddy?
Teddy.
Yeah.
Black color it is.
Sir, it's a design.
अच्छा, black color is a panda, चलो बस ओए बस यहाँ पे no talking, huh? Otherwise I have a pet in my bag. I'll leave it. Yeah, it's a black mamba. Yeah. चलो hello now hey beta, this question is there, huh? Beta, in textbook also this question is there. Name the gas released during the lightning discharge in an atmosphere. Nitric oxide. So this is how acid rain we get, beta. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Now, अभी बेटा ये एसिड रेन रोकने का है हमको, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? खुद भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा. अच्छा, ये गैसेस कौन रिलीज करता है उसके बारे में भी क्वेश्चन आएगा. ओके, चलो डन. हेलो. अच्छा, now copied this beta all of you.
Yes.
चलो Now, beta, reaction taking place in internal combustion engine of a car, of any vehicle, basically. In vehicle, we use gasoline, petrol, internal combustion engine of any vehicle or car. I've written car, because any vehicle. What happens in vehicle? What happens, beta? Incomplete combustion take place. Complete combustion नहीं होता बेटा. तो क्या होगा बेटा? Nitrogen will react with oxygen to form NO. And NO will further react with oxygen to give you NO2. Achha, now these two gases are released in air. If they are responsible for acid rain or not, tell me. तो क्या व्हीकल में से मैं डायरेक्टली इनको बाहर आने दूंगा क्या? हाँ, तो गवर्नमेंट ने ना कंपलसरी नॉर्म बनाया है. कोई भी कार का इंजन होता है ना बेटा, उसमें अगर ये व्हेन फ्यूल विल बर्न, तो दीस गैसेस आर रिलीज्ड. So what they are, instead of earlier they used to directly release in the atmosphere, but now what they have done, अपना जो इंजन होता है ना बेटा कार का, उसके आगे ना वो लोग ने एक और क्या फिट किया है बेटा, ऐसा कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर फिट कर दिया. क्या फिट किया है? हाँ, अभी बेटा इसमें से बाहर कौन आ रहा था? NO और NO2. लेकिन बेटा ये कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर क्या करेगा? NO और NO2 को वापस क्या किस में कन्वर्ट कर देगा? N2NO2. हवा में सबसे ज्यादा नाइट्रोजन होता है ना, 80% ऑलमोस्ट, एंड देन 20% इज ऑल योर ऑक्सीजन. तो उसने NO और NO2 को किस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया? N2NO2. तो देयरफॉर it is compulsory norms given set by the government that we have to fix a catalytic converter in all the vehicle. So we are not fixing that. Whenever a car is made in a company, for that company it is compulsory to fit a catalytic converter. Earlier, beta, you might have come across this word, BS stage. 1, 2, 3, 4. BS means Bharat. S means stage. Bharat stage vehicle. Bharat stage vehicle 1, 2. Earlier it was 1, 2, 3, 4. Now government has come up with the rule that stage 4 के पहले वाला all vehicles they are banning. क्यों? क्योंकि पहले जो कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर उसमें लगा हुआ रहता था वो लेस इफेक्टिव था. नाउ करंटली विच स्टेज वी आर फॉलोइंग, नाउ व्हाटएवर कार आर कमिंग इन द मार्केट, दे हैव भारत स्टेज 6 phase 2. Bharat stage 6 phase 2. So every year they do research and best catalytic converter is fixed into the vehicle. Clear? So now what catalytic converter will do? Give reason. This is very important. Look beta, what was happening from the engine of the car? What was coming out? Tell me. From the engine, combustion engine में से क्या क्या आ रहा था बोलो? NO और NO2. अभी कार के अंदर मैंने उसके आगे क्या फिट कर दिया? अच्छा, कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर में कैटलिस्ट कौन होता है? प्लैटिनम और पैलेडियम. उसने ये हार्मफुल गैसेस को किस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया? हाँ, ये तो नेचर में ऑलरेडी होता है ना बेटा. तो अभी ना व्हाट क्वेश्चन दे विल आस्क, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. राइट द रिएक्शन टेकिंग प्लेस इन द कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर इन इंटरनल कंबशन मशीन और इंजन. तो देख, ए इंजन में क्या बना था? ए बेबी, NON NO. तो ये देख, PT और PD का फुल फॉर्म भी दिया है. तो दिस आर द रिएक्शन. गिव रीजन why catalytic converter should be used. So you have to write these two reasons, and then you have to say that it converts harmful gases into non-harmful gases. Clear? Very important. This will definitely come.
Or a destination like sorry. Yeah, sorry. क्या हुआ? She's going abroad, bro. Resignation. That's so cold. Exactly. I get dragged. Teachers come and go.
ये शिवन बेटा तो लिख रहा है ना?
हाँ सर. कौन सा
चलो डन.
No sir, no sir.
2 आया बेटा. both are formed na beta during the combustion. Before that we have written na. So now they are converted into nitrogen and oxygen. हवा में nitrogen oxygen होता है ना बेटा? Oh, I like that clearing. चलो, done.
You just do it, don't.
Done. Done. Now beta, hey, now I want you all to come to the textbook beta. You won't understand here how everything is given. Look, this girl here, come here. Now, directly come to page number. Look, what all thing I have covered. Page number 127. I have done this pH scale. Can you see this, beta? अच्छा, one definition of pH scale खाली रह गया था. It is a scale which help us to measure acidity, alkalinity और neutrality. Neutrality भी हो सकता है कि नहीं, क्योंकि देख प्योर वाटर न्यूट्रल होता है कि नहीं, बोलो बेटा. ओके, चलो फिर बेटा आ जाते हैं इधर पे बेटा. ये मैंने बता दिया आपको क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में. देन ये नाइट देख रहा ड्यूरिंग लाइटिंग डिस्चार्ज विच इज प्रोड्यूस. Then beta, this was beta AY catalytic converter internal. I made you write this, huh, beta? Hello. Then beta, what are the harmful effects? This you will have to mark. A, what is the harmful effect of acid rain? In soil beta, there are important nutrients like potassium, right? Calcium, right? But what will happen when acid rain will fall on it? So it takes up, it will wash away important minerals like potassium, calcium interact with the H plus ion. And they are displaced from the soil, and this process is called as leaching. It is called as leaching. Soil के अंदर important nutrients होते हैं, they will get washed away with acid rain. तो soil का fertility क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? Less. Clear? अच्छा, ये आप लोग ने ज्योग्राफी में भी पढ़ा रहेगा बेटा. अलग अलग एरिया में अलग अलग टाइप का सॉइल होता है. ओके, एंड नाउ फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर क्रॉप टू ग्रो, the pH of soil is very very important. If soil का acidity बढ़ गया तो उसमें वो crop grow होगा नहीं. So what will happen if acid rain will fall? What it will do? It will change the acidity of the soil. It will change the acidity of the soil. Hello. अच्छा, ये soil का fertility किसके वजह? आप लोगों ने बायो में पढ़ा लेगा बेटा. In the nodules of the plant there is rhizobium bacteria. Do you know beta nitrogen fixing bacteria in the nodule? But what will happen if acid rain will fall? Then these all bacteria will be what beta? Inhibited. मतलब उनका growth होगा ही. So it affects the fertility. Activity of nitrogen fixing bacteria present in the nodules of the leguminous plant is inhibited by acid rain, and thereby the fertility of the soil will be reduced. तो एग्जाम में ये आएगा, दिस इज इफेक्ट ऑन द सॉइल. नाउ बेटा, पानी में अगर एसिड रेन गिरेगा तो क्या होगा? पानी के अंदर कौन होता है? एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स, मरीन एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट. सो दे विल स्टार्ट डाइंग. ओके, अच्छा, फिर बेटा अगर है ना एसिड रेन से बेटा हार्मफुल केमिकल वाटर में जाएगा, वो तो वाटर में किसको एब्जॉर्ब करेगा? एक्वेटिक प्लांट. एक्वेटिक प्लांट को कौन खाएगा? फिश. फिश को कौन खाते हैं? ह्यूमन बीइंग. तो वो पूरा पॉइजनस सब्सटेंस जो अंदर हो गया वो बायो चेन में आ जाएगा, फूड चेन में आ जाएगा, एंड पीपल विल स्टार्ट डाइंग. ऐसा हुआ था. यू रिमेंबर मिनीमाटा बे और मिनीमाटा डिजीज जापान में हुआ था? नो आइडिया? ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन. तो हाउ इट विल अफेक्ट द मरीन लाइफ. चलो आ जाते हैं. लेगुमिनस प्लांट्स, ऐसा नोड्यूल्स होता है उसमें, रूट्स में. So acid rain formation. हाँ, look बेटा, what will happen if acid rain? तो leaching. देखना plants वगैरह, soils will get leached away. Okay, then but अच्छा ये पानी में गिरेगा तो fish will start dying. Fish will start, even a small change in pH बेटा, fishes will start dying बेटा. ठीक है बेटा. If affect the marine organism, it affect the plant. Chlorophyll content will decrease and rate of photosynthesis will get affected. It will decolorize. Then बेटा damage to the material. Material में क्या डैमेज होगा बेटा? ऐसे monuments रहते हैं ना बेटा. तो मैं अरे बेटा ये monuments किसका बना रहता है? कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का. इस पे एसिड रेन गिरेगा तो it will calcium carbonate will react with acid or not, and this statue gets eroded. Best example of acid rain का इंडिया में ताजमहल बेटा, पता है ना, ये होते जाता है येलोइश. ओए, ये लाइन ये किसका बना हुआ था? limestone. It reacts with sulfuric acid to form, then it gets eroded. Right? अभी बेटा ये देख ताजमहल आएगा बेटा, देख येलोइश हो गया कि नहीं बेटा, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एसिड रेन. तो चलो बेटा अभी मार्क करो. मरीन में कैसे इफेक्ट करेगा? टॉक्सिक मेटल लाइक मर्क्यूरी, they are washed away along with the acid rain and toxicity of river, and thereby destroys what? Aquatic plant and animal. Most aquatic animal cannot survive below pH 7. अच्छा ये MCQ में आ सकता है. Salmon die, salmon fish है बेटा, it will start dying if the pH of water level falls below 5.5. प्लांट पे क्या करता था बोलो? इफेक्ट ट्रांसपिरेशन, डीकलराइजेस लीफ, reduces rate of photosynthesis. ह्यूमन में क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? It will enter into the food chain. It will enter into the food chain. Right? ये मटेरियल डैमेज क्या होगा? अरे मार्बल का स्टैच्यूज में सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड रिएक्ट हो गया. दिस रिएक्शन यू हैव टू डू है बेटा. कैल्शियम सल्फेट, वाटर एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. हाउ टू प्रिवेंट दिस एसिड रेन? So instead of using normal fuel, we'll use what? Alternative fuel like CNG. अच्छा, अंडरलाइन CNG, compressed natural gas, फुल फॉर्म आगे भी आने वाला है. अच्छा, एक MCQ आएगा. Which form of energy produces no pollution? So it will be hydro energy or wind energy. ये आएगा MCQ में, याद रखना. And what you have to use? You have to use technical devices like catalytic converter. ये what are this precipitator in industry? ये इंडस्ट्री में आपने देखा ऐसा चिमनी होता है, ऊपर तक जाता है. चिमनी में से हार्मफुल गैसेस जाते हैं. तो हार्मफुल गैसेस के अंदर कोई भी सॉलिड पार्टिकल है वो बाहर जाना नहीं चाहिए. तो वो लोग, हम लोग ने ऊपर क्या लगाया रहता है? प्रेसिपिटेटर. ऐसा. तो व्हाट विल हैपन? दैट हार्मफुल सब्सटेंस विल गेट प्रेसिपिटेटेड, अगेन इट विल फॉल इनटू द चिमनी. तो लेस हार्मफुल गैसेस आर रिलीज्ड. नाउ वी गो टू बेटा ग्रीन हाउस गैस. वो ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट वी हैव स्टडीड इन ज्योग्राफी आल्सो बेटा. चलो बेटा आ जाते हैं. ओके, ग्रीन हाउस गैस के बारे में पढ़ते बेटा, आ जाते हैं. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग आप लोगों ने पढ़ा है कि नहीं बेटा? ओके, नाउ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बेटा, आई जस्ट शो यू बेटा. In exam there are 4 definitions they will ask. First, what will they ask? What are greenhouse? Why life is possible on Earth's surface? Because in Earth's surface beta we have atmosphere, and in atmosphere what are there? Greenhouse gases. When sunlight will fall, so it will fall on the Earth's surface and it will get reflected back, and again it will go back into atmosphere. But our atmosphere has what? Greenhouse gas. So greenhouse gas, what it will does? It absorb. And again it reflected back on the Earth's surface. Therefore, you know, our planet has what beta? Can maintain the heat. Therefore, life is possible on our planet. Clear? Acha, but these greenhouse gases beta, earlier when the first time this our Earth was, you know, discovered and all, so whatever amount of the gases which was there, that was fixed. But now over the period of year, due to our man-made activity, these greenhouse gases are increasing, so more heat is trapped. And therefore, every year, you know, beta, the temperature of Earth is increasing. And due to this, what is happening? Melting of glaciers. Then, you know, because melting, and this effect is not limited at only one place. It has a global impact. We might have seen nowadays, in past so many years, that there are a lot of flooding taking place, tsunami, flooding. You know, rain ka season is changing. The places where there was no rain, they are started receiving more rain. The places where there was more rain, they have started receiving less rain. So all this is because of what? Global warming. So now, first of all, underline greenhouse gases. So what define greenhouse? This is definition 1. Gases that contribute effectively in retaining the heat in the atmosphere. अच्छा, exam में, और this is a definition number 2. Greenhouse, it is the warming up of the Earth's surface due to the concentration of the blanketing effect of greenhouse gas. Definition number 3. What is global warming? So greenhouse effect results in the rise in the atmospheric temperature, which is not confined to one region but has a global impact. Therefore, it is known as global warming. अच्छा, MCQ में क्या आएगा? Which is the major greenhouse gas? तो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, मीथेन, वाटर वेपर, CFC, क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन. सबसे ज्यादा लेकिन कौन होता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड मीथेन. ये मार्क कर दिया 3 डेफिनेशन, और ये विच आर द मेजर ग्रीन हाउस गैस. ठीक है, मार्क कर दिया. चलो बेटा आगे बढ़ते हैं. अभी ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस का अधिक, अगर ग्रीन हाउस गैस नहीं होता था तो व्हाट वुड हैव हैपेंड? लाइफ वुड हैव नॉट बीन पॉसिबल ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस. हीट इज रिटेन ना बेटा. कैन यू सी दिस बेटा? देख ऐसा आएगा, अर्थ पे गिरेगा, वापिस जा रहा था, लेकिन ग्रीन हाउस उसको ट्रैप करेगा तो वापिस रिटर्न आएगा कि नहीं? अच्छा अभी बेटा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, एग्जाम में पूछेंगे विच इज द मेन ग्रीन हाउस गैस? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, एंड द सेकेंड मोस्ट इज मीथेन। चलो अभी बेटा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कैसे बनता है? तो चलो बेटा ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन है। पहले तो हम ब्रीदिंग क्या
Sir,
करते हैं? व्हाट वी रिलीज?
sir,
या टेल मी।
do we have to by heart the percentages?
नो नो नॉट एट ऑल, ओनली द वैल्यू, ओनली दिस। ए एग्जाम में एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, नेम द प्रोसेस। अनन्या ना, अनन्या प्रभु देसाई, respiration, name the process by which the carbon dioxide is released in the atmosphere. Respiration. In respiration में what we take beta? We take glucose, and beta we breathe in, and what is given? Carbon dioxide and water. Okay, what is the other way of? एक कोयला जलाएगी डालमिया बेटा, coal. When you burn coal, what gas is released? Natural gas is methane. And these all reactions are important. Methane burns in oxygen to give you carbon dioxide and water. Calcium carbonate, when it is heated, it gives you carbon dioxide. And this is the process. Again, this one is important. Fermentation. This is how you prepare alcohol. Okay. So again, I have taken glucose. So what is the name of this compound? This C6H12 is glucose. And what is the name of this compound? Ethanol. Yeah, ethyl alcohol. Ethanol. Ethanol. Lol. Now, mark कर दिया ये, चलो. Now here, okay. Now they will ask you, beta. You know these are the different gases. ठीक है, हाँ ये वाला क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इम्पैक्ट ऑफ ग्रीन हाउस गैस. तो जोग्राफिकल इम्पैक्ट क्या है बोलो? Global warming increases melting of ice cap, which result in rising sea level causing flooding. Climatic change क्या है बोलो बेटा? Tropical region experience more rainfall. Then ecosystem में क्या करेगा? Because of greenhouse effect, many species will get extinct. Agriculture and plant life, what will happen? Life cycle of tree and reproduction of plant and fertility will not change due to greenhouse gas. तो अभी इसको प्रिवेंट कैसे करने का ग्रीन हाउस गैस को? हाउ टू प्रिवेंट इट? तो वेज ऑफ, अच्छा ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, इस पे क्या क्या क्वेश्चन आएंगे? ए रेदर देन यूजिंग नॉर्मल फ्यूल वी आर विल यूज. प्लीज अंडरलाइन व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ एलपीजी? पेट्रोलियम गैस. ओके. अच्छा ए विच गैस इज प्रेजेंट इन इट? प्रोपेन. एलएनजी मींस लिक्विफाइड नेचुरल गैस, मीथेन. सीएनजी, इस पे ये गिव रीजन आएगा बेटा. वाई सीएनजी? बेटा ये कार में आपने देखा रहेगा आजकल वो सीएनजी ऑल पब्लिक व्हीकल्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, गवर्नमेंट पब्लिक व्हीकल में अगर आप देखोगे ना, ऑल ऑफ देम बसेस एवरीथिंग, rickshaws and all, they have made compulsory it should have what? CNG. But nowadays so in fact with still better technology has come, electric vehicle has come. Why CNG is the best alternative? Yeah, it is what beta? Contain lead and lowers maintenance cost as compared to the normal fuel. इसमें अपने को बेटा अगर हम लोग ये बढ़ते से एवरेज भी बढ़ता है गाड़ी का. पेट्रोल में अगर तुम्हारा एवरेज 15 किलोमीटर पर आ रहेगा तो इसमें 25 तक आ सकता है, और ये थोड़ा चीप भी है उससे. ओके. सोलर एनर्जी, विंड एनर्जी, ये सब ठीक है ना बेटा? ये तो बहुत इजी है बेटा, क्लियर है ना? अच्छा अभी बेटा दूसरा क्या करने का? ग्रो मोर प्लांट्स. बाय बिकॉज प्लांट इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ क्लोरोफिल एंड सनलाइट प्रोड्यूसेस व्हाट? कन्वर्ट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इनटू ऑक्सीजन. एंड व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस प्रोसेस? फोटो. This reaction is important ना बेटा? अच्छा which fertilizer is better? Bio fertilizer are better than nitrogenous fertilizer. This helps to control the emission of which greenhouse? Bio fertilizer helps to nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is N2O. N2O लिख लो चाहिए तो बाजू. अब बेटा एग्जाम में इससे रिलेटेड क्या क्या क्वेश्चन आएंगे बेटा? लिसन, 2 क्वेश्चन दे विल आस्क. मीथेन इज अ ग्रीन हाउस गैस. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज आल्सो ग्रीन हाउस गैस. सो इन एग्जाम आई विल आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन. दिस Write a reaction in which one greenhouse gas gives another greenhouse gas. Very important question. So look, beta, this is greenhouse gas. If you burn this, you get carbon dioxide. This is another. So read question carefully. Write a reaction in which one greenhouse gas gives you another greenhouse gas. Very, very important. I'm feeling very thirsty today. पूरा मैं पानी खर्च हो गई bro.
सर थोड़ा कवर हो रहा बहुत लूज लड़के का मैंने कभी नो ये पेशेंट एंड वेट के माउथ शर्ट पेशेंस इज द की
Oh, I'll shift this whiteboard.
रोल की फैशन इस बंदा बोलता है देख के अंदर आवाज दे फर्स्ट टाइम थोड़ी रोल की का अरे भाई क्वालिटी कभी डिमोक्रेसी से तो यूजुअली तो पहले तरह की अच्छी बात सोसाइटी बस
So,
Yes.
on page 130, on page 133, all that information that's given below, like CNG and all that, do we need to remember everything, or like,
No, beta, whatever I have given right now, marking only that thing you will read.
okay, so not like the whole,
No, whatever effect of greenhouse, okay, all
yeah,
those,
like,
and the
so,
important reactions, which I am doing you right now here.
so what about the sources of
Which
other
one?
greenhouse-
Which one? Page number?
132, sources of other greenhouse gases.
This 132. That all thing you don't have to do.
This, no, no.
Okay.
Thank you.
Chalo, acha. I hope all of you have copied this. I hope all of you have copied this.
Your cream is
Hello. I hope all of you have copied this. Chalo, next question. Name a process which releases carbon dioxide. हाँ, अच्छा अगर मैंने पूछा write reaction, so you'll write this there. Please copy these two questions. Name a process which consumes carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis, ना बेटा? अरे green plant carbon dioxide को absorb कर देगा कि नहीं? In presence of sunlight. Copy these two. Very important.
very important भाई क्या हो क्या रहा है और इट्स नॉट ठीक है तो पहले स्टार्ट किया है तो you know that dude yes you know he bought it wasn't I was now is I know but like he put it in the pen ka refill and yeah I thought yeah कुछ भी and how do you अरे आया उसका दिया क्या अरे नहीं He's in my bus. Why did you go? What? He's in my bus. You went to school today? No. Yesterday. Yeah. क्या तेरा हुआ है क्या? मुझे क्या पता? Serious हो बात है बहुत explanation. Yeah, I saw. Sorry. Unlike it, Rakhya, keep your mouth shut. Hands right of resources. Let us be a bit good.
Done?
Nice. Why does it pen look like Google or Gutta? That's really sense. Okay, good. Look, थोड़े मंत्र पढ़ ले. Hey! You know the guy who says bad jokes and laughs at when they keep such jokes on and get a boyfriend.
Done, all of you? Look, beta, as I told you. No talking, done? Done? I hope all of you have done this. Now we go to what, beta? The last one. The last one is which one, beta? Ozone depletion. Acha, this full form you all should know, CNG and all this thing. Ozone, beta. First question, what they will ask? Ozone. Acha, what is the role of ozone? It controls the UV light directly coming on the Earth's surface. Right? It is a natural constituent, and what is it? It is a bluish explosive gas. Acha, now next question they will ask you, either this can come for the match the column or MCQ. Okay. What all thing they can ask? This we are done in geography also. Chalo. Troposphere is between which range? 8 to 10. Stratosphere between? Mesosphere between? And where is your ozone layer? Ozone layer is inside what? Stratosphere. Whatever value they are given, that you write. Don't follow the geography ka thing. Yeah. Okay. Right? So ozone is present in which sphere? Stratosphere. Ozone is present in what, beta? Strat. देख रहा है बेटा ये ozone दिख रहा है? देखना ये troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, right? Okay. Now ozone was discovered by whom, beta? Charles Fabry. Acha, who measured it? Dobson. By using an instrument. What is the name of instrument? It was given after Dobson, Dobsometer. Hey, how much is ozone overhead? So it is measured in density. So, and what is the unit for that? Dobson unit is the measure of density of ozone overhead. Underline what is Dobson unit. And what is the name of the instrument? Dobsometer. 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 Now, they will ask how this ozone gets converted. Hey, Boka. Atmosphere में ना बेटा, ozone gets converted into oxygen and oxygen gets converted into, this cycle keeps on going in the atmosphere, but it can get disturbed due to some chemicals which we use. तो चलो बेटा, अभी मैं तुमको बैठा आ जाओ बेटा, अभी आपको एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में मैं बताता, आ जाओ. अच्छा, ये 2 पॉइंट भी लिख दो ना बेटा. I just forgot to make you write this. Hey, please write these 2 points. What type of fertilizer reduces pollution? Biofertilizer. Greenhouse gas containing carbon and hydrogen only. Greenhouse gas, ये ले भाई बस. Greenhouse gas containing carbon and hydrogen. Please write this. Hey Tanisha, write this. This is very, very important. This was not written by you earlier. Hey, this Asher girl. Which type of fertilizer reduces pollution? Name a greenhouse gas which contains carbon and hydrogen only. Methane in formula. ऐसे MCQs आएंगे. How much you talk this girl here?
You're so deaf.
Done? Now, very important question, another. Hey yaar, come on. Do this fast, beta. मैं ये जो कुछ भी बोल रहा हूँ ना, ऐसे भी क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं. This type of questions are going to come. How many of you are there? Hey, जो लेट आए उन लोगों को मिला क्या ये? लास्ट टाइम ही करेक्ट करके दे दिया था ना तुम्हारा पेपर. सिड जैन, सुले, आर्यन, पर भंडारी, दर्शित, चन्ना, अर्जुन, आर्यन अग्रवाल आता है ना बैच 2 में. चलो, stop talking. This is very very important now. What? Okay, boys, this is very important now. Here, come here. एग्जाम में पूछेंगे क्वेश्चन. प्लीज राइट दिस. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नो टॉकिंग. ए या दिस क्वेश्चन विल कम. श्लोक बेटा, राइट दिस. भूतानी, ये तुम लोग ने नहीं लिखा हुआ, ये वाला पार्ट वहां नहीं पता. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ओजोन. ए इन एटमॉस्फेयर ऑक्सीजन इज देयर. So in presence of, ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आएगा, in presence of UV light ऑक्सीजन decomposes to which two atom. तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट वाले को? nascent oxygen atom. Nascent oxygen atom. Then dalmia, then this nascent oxygen atom will combine with oxygen in the atmosphere and convert it into what? Ozone. अच्छा, next question. Oxygen combine with which atom to give you ozone? Nascent oxygen atom. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे.
सर पर वो नेशनल ऑक्सीजन इसके साथ में कोई दूसरे एलिमेंट के साथ नहीं रखा.
नहीं, वो एयर में हो रहा है ना. ये लाइटनिंग डिस्चार्ज कहाँ पे हो रही है? यूवी लाइट पर. दिस इज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विल कम बेटा. अच्छा, रीड बट व्हाट आई विल आस्क. ऑक्सीजन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ यूवी लाइट गिव व्हिच एटम? नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन एटम, ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल कंबाइन विद व्हिच atom to give ozone? Nascent oxygen atom. Copied. Copied. ए क्या रहे? अभी ऑक्सीजन से क्या बना? ओजोन. अब ओजोन से क्या बनेगा? ऑक्सीजन. कैसे बनेगा? आ जाओ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होगा कन्वर्ट ओजोन इनटू ऑक्सीजन. एटमॉस्फेयर में ओजोन है. इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ यूवी लाइट इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू ऑक्सीजन एंड नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन एटम. देन दिस नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन एटम विल कंबाइन विद द ओजोन एंड ब्रेक इट इनटू व्हाट? ऑक्सीजन. तो ये ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आएगा. ओजोन रिएक्ट विद डैश एटम टू गिव ऑक्सीजन. नेसेंट. कॉपी दिस. ये नहीं लिखा था भाई. ये दोनों नहीं लिखवाया उसमें. कहा है? देख ले, ये दोनों कहाँ लिखा? अबे ये पहला वाला था, अब ये दूसरा वाला लिखने का. तूने ऑक्सीजन टू ओजोन लिखा है ये रे. अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? ओजोन टू ऑक्सीजन. श्रेयान शेट्टी और भूतानी, तुम लोग ये नहीं लिख रहे, बहुत पछताओगे बाद में.
एक देना यार. पीछे पेज में और लिखा हुआ है. I have secrets.
You got these braces now? Recently you fixed the braces. चलो. हेलो. बहुत लिखने का है. अगर तुम लोग चुप बैठोगे तो अगले 10 मिनट में सब हो जाएगा, लेकिन तुम लोग बातें करते रहोगे तो आई विल एक्सटेंड. What? I can show it. Only one page. Now, how man-made activity damages ozone? So, depletion of ozone by CFC. What are CFC? Chlorofluorocarbon. Yeah, chlorofluorocarbon को ऐसे लिखते हैं. CFCl3. Can you see this?
मजा आया.
It is trichlorofluorocarbon. Okay, a chlorofluorocarbon in presence of UV light it gives nascent chlorine atom. एटमॉस्फेयर में nascent chlorine atom फिर किसके साथ रिएक्ट होगा? ओजोन. और दे ब्रेक कर दिया ओजोन को, तो ओजोन का डिप्लीशन हुआ कि नहीं? Ah, chlorine monoxide. No, this is the compound form. Yeah. No, then while writing we have written.
Yeah, you got it.
अगर ओजोन listen, if there is a depletion of ozone, if then bas, shut your mouth, pay attention.
I was doubling the something. I think you know but you change. I changed the spelling. So what is the spelling now?
So do we have to write this?
MEH.
So what were you doing? Hatching eggs or what? Buttiya?
MEHI. No, he's no MEHI.
Now this is the hard spelling. Earlier it was MIHIK. It's Mihaika now. Okay. I hope all of you copied this girl here. This girl here. बातें नहीं हो गया क्या? नहीं. If there is ozone depletion and UV light if directly come on so what problem it will create? Yeah. अभी क्या क्या हो सकता है देखते हैं on human beings as well as on plants. बटाटे. बटाटे.
I would not eat that. I would not eat that.
I
Greenhouse gases we have done, beta. Now. Okay. Ozone is in which sphere? Hello, stratosphere. Now, what problem will happen because of ozone depletion? Let us study it. Hey, which gases are responsible for ozone? Methane. Listen. This they will ask. Methyl chloride, nitrous, bromofluorocarbon, and methyl carbon tetrachloride. What are the damages? Come on, chalo. If damn this box. You will get sunburn and cancer. ये देख बेटा ऐसा हो जाएगा sunburn, skin cancer. Okay. Then बेटा eye cataract. Cataract क्या होता है? यहाँ पे ऐसा white color का ये हो जाता है, पता है ना बेटा? वो पेक यहाँ पे especially in elder people ये तो होता है. So whenever you go out in sunlight, you should always wear glares and all, sunglasses. Yeah. Hey baby, यहाँ जोई ले. Cataract दिख रहा है कि नहीं? Then early aging. Early aging of the skin. ये देख बेटा. ये यहाँ पे देख आंटी यहाँ पे एकदम बुढ़ी नजर आ रही है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा एकदम. Weakening of immune system. DNA and severe damage of cells of animals. What damages it does to plant? Retards the plant growth. It inhibits pollen germination. Reduces chlorophyll. ये देख leaf कैसा हो गया?
Oh my God!
Okay. This leaf has become like Anya. Look here. Affect the vegetables. harmful mutations disrupt ecosystem. अच्छा ये अभी ओजोन ये एक एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आएगा which chemical are responsible, please mark this, please mark this प्लीज. अच्छा ये पढ़ लेना टेक्स्ट बुक में से, पेज नंबर तुम्हारा ये 136 पे. डैमेज टू द ह्यूमन एंड एनिमल एंड डैमेज टू द प्लांट, these two things I
So
showed
do
you
we have
right
to
now.
write this?
No, you don't have to write this.
Do we have to like underline any of
Yeah,
the-
underline this to mark it, na man. This to. A, which rays are harmful? UVA is less. UVB is more. A underline कर दे. UV A, UVB.
She's rude. She's like you. She shows her name of the face.
Okay.
That is good.
Then beta A, chemical responsible, very important. Shh. Please, who is mostly responsible? Chlorofluorocarbon, 80%. Which are the other? A, earlier where this chlorofluorocarbon were used in all our cooling device, AC, refrigerator, that gas we used to fill na? Gas. अभी बेटा फिर एरोसोल घर पे कोई भी स्प्रे लिखा रहता है ना, उस पे लिखा रहता है नो CFC. Okay, A, earlier in AC and all we used to use, and refrigerator, which gas we used to use? CFC. But now we have replaced it with HCFC, hydrofluorocarbon. Okay. Now methyl chloride, methyl bromide, H. These are the gases responsible for, Tanisha, these are the gases responsible for this. Okay. Now, how to prevent this ozone depletion? This is very important. Listen. Hey, instead of CFC, which gas we use? HCFC. What is HCFC? Hydrofluorochlorocarbon. Hydrochlorofluorocarbon. Labeling product as CFC free. And beta, all scientists came together at one place, that was Montreal, and they prepared one protocol. So all countries are supposed to follow this protocol. For A, what man, you have to do this. I'll take another 5 minutes. चलो आ जाओ, आंसर बताओ फटाफट. Mihika will answer this first one. Mihika, yeah. The major pollutant, very good. Ashlesha, greenhouse, which on combustion produces another greenhouse. Very good. A, this Prabhu Desai, UV light. A, the gas which in presence of UV light gives two atoms of the same gas. UV light पे कौन था बेटा? Which? Oxygen. चलो, Tanisha, a chemical responsible for ozone depletion. Methyl chloride. A, Chyon, renewable source which causes minimum or no pollution. Hydropower. मार्क भी करवाया था. Hydropower. Boca. Sulfur trioxide into sulfuric. So what? Only one step. A, nitrogen to nitrogen dioxide in an internal combustion machine. So nitrogen plus oxygen to NO2. Clear? I have to put here 2. Then A, methane to carbon monoxide. तो याद आ रहा है कि नहीं बेटा? अरे मीथेन प्लस ऑक्सीजन gives you CO2 plus.
Sir,
बैलेंस करने के लिए यहाँ पे 2.
sir, in the second step, in the second,
Yeah.
in the second question, nitrogen to nitrogen dioxide.
Two step it
Isn't
is.
it 2 steps?
Yeah, it is a two-step. I'll show you, beta. Hey, wait. This is a two-step, huh? Second one. पहले NO आएगा. अरे यार, ये ले. This was a two-step.
You almost tried to take that.
ठीक है? Then A.
Yeah, you are horrible.
मार दूंगा बेटा. ये किया था कि नहीं? Ozone to two molecules of. Now, this all you can do on your own. This reaction. Now, very important. Shh. बेटा, अच्छा A. अच्छा मैं हमने 5 बजे तक तुमको रुका होगा. 2 मिनट चुपचाप यहाँ पे ध्यान दे. नहीं. पहले बंद. मुंह बंद. मुंह बंद. मुंह बंद. अच्छा, keep on talking. I'll wait then. Wait. No.
Sorry, sir.
If you want to go early, then absolute silence. I will.
Sir, क्या बोल?
And atmospheric pollutant produced during. So it is what, beta? Nitric oxide. NO. A wet form of acid rain other than rainwater. Snow, dew, fog. An atmospheric pollutant responsible for both global warming and methane. Greenhouse gas which contain carbon and hydrogen only. Methane formula भी दे देता हूँ. An atom which react with oxygen to form nascent oxygen. What will happen to the nutrients in the soil if acid rainfall? Decreases.
Such a great info.
Acidity of soil increases. Decrease. pH decreases. Lower the pH, higher the acidity. Rate of photosynthesis decreases. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Then here only the name I want. A process in which carbon dioxide is released. Respiration. Absorb. Photosynthesis. Which fertilizer is better? यहाँ तक कोई दिक्कत, कोई difficulty? With this, we have completed your portion for 9th standard.
Bye, sir. Thank you.